Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Question 39 is about radioactive decay. Half-life is 5 hours, decay constant is lambda at now 20 hours, and nuclide. So when you talk about the activity, the number of decay when it is earlier at t equals 5 hours, so it's go back. So the number of nuclide should be more than n. How many times is more? Think about it. Okay, so t equals 5 hours, now it's 20. It is 20 minus 5, 15 hours before, right? So 15 hours is how many half-life? Okay, half-life is 5, so divided by 5. So 3 half-life, okay. So remember in the half-life equation, it should drop by this factor 1/2 to the number of half-life, so it should drop by a factor of 1/8 when 20 hours. So go back, okay, from n to earlier time, the number of nuclei should be 8n. So how many decay at that time if they have an particle? Remember, decay constant is the probability of each particle, each nuclei to decay, right? So multiply the total number of particles with this probability will be the activity. So the answer is B. You got it? Well done.